Nagsalita na rin sa wakas si Colleen Garcia, kaugnay sa mga bumabatikos, sa itsura ng asawa niyang si Billy Crawford. Sa pamamagitan ng kanyang larawan, na ibinahagi sa kanyang social media, sinagot ni Colleen ang mga basher. Tungkol kasi ito sa nag-viral na larawan ni Billy, na makikitang pumapayat ito. There's this viral photo kasi of Billy going around, kaya I felt the need to address it without directly addressing it, sabi ni Colleen. Actually, I don't know if you've ever seen him before without makeup. But long before we even started dating, he's always had dark under eye circles, and major hair loss na, sabi pa ni Colleen. Paliwanag pa ni Colleen, tanging nakakakilala lang daw kay Billy, ang may alam sa tunay na itsura ng aktor. Natatago lang talaga pag naka-hair and makeup, sabi pa ni Colleen. Paliwanag pa ni Colleen, medyo ngarag lang, cause we've both been working more than usual while balancing a lot of things. Lalo na si Billy. He's out of town now overnight lang, but he just came from France for a month, then he's leaving for the US next week.